This is the sniper rifle, the M160A2, and on the other spot of the box is the M1600A1. So I'm trying to figure out which one. I got the SOCOM version on airsupply.com. It's an excellent deal. This gun has 390 feet per second, and I got it for $30 at Airsupply plus shipping. It is near useless without 20 grams though. Without 0.20 grams, it's just near useless. And I'm sorry if my throat's a little scratchy. My friend John came in pain, so he choked me. So my throat's hurting. Okay, first let's get it out of the box. The top's pretty useless in the airsoft battle. Okay, this thing works just fine if you have the proper attachment, like a scope, but scope the gun and is pretty useless. I mean, it looks kind of neat. It's actually, oh great, my friend that's over has broken part of my scope. So even though it's useless now, it's even less useless. So John, if you ever watch this, I'm thanking you greatly. Okay, it has basically just a red dot that's inside of it. I think this is, oh, that's correct today. This just has a little dot inside of it that projects onto the thing. The dot is supposedly where you're gonna hit, but it doesn't really hit there. No, just turn it off and put these covers over it. Take that out of the garbage. Okay, now there's the flashlight. It looks really bright on camera. Really bright on camera. It looks really bright. It is not bright really at all. It is bright enough to kind of shine the way, but not really to do very much else. It's pretty useless, so kick that to the gun as well. Okay, now the real part of the gun that's pretty good is, now this box is pretty useless. Okay. The only part of the gun that's really useless, and I know it's really hard to see on camera because it's black, and the only part of the gun that's really worth good or anything, is this. All the accessories are just pretty much $5 of your money, not worth spending. Okay, well granted $5, so I mean, sometimes it's worth it, depending on if you can tune your gun up just perfectly. If you can turn it up absolutely 100% perfect, maybe the thing could be worth it. Okay, basically the clip goes, push this button, right here, there's a button right here that you push it, take that, and it's loaded because I played Airsoft yesterday with John. And the clip is a special way of going in. You turn it like this, sideways like this, and then you go like that, okay? Now it's in. And the way you cock it is there's a mechanism right here. Pull it back. I'm not going to cock it because it's, well, for one, it's pretty hard to cock. Like, if you're trying to do a battle on cock, bang, just cocking it, shooting, cock, shoot, it'll be very difficult. This gun, normally I end up playing, I rest it on my leg and cock it down and wait until someone comes and shoot and hope I hit them. Normally I do. It is extremely accurate. It can shoot up to probably 100 and 150 yards easy accurately. It's probably my best airsoft investment. It is big. It is a big gun. I'm like 5 feet and this gun is heavy for an airsoft gun. It's just a heavy airsoft gun. I mean, for a real gun, it's probably really light, but I mean, for airsoft, it's like 5 pounds or 7 pounds, which is heavy for an airsoft gun. It's not really heavy, but it gets to the point where it's a pain. It does come with a strap that you can hook on your shoulder, so it is easier. It has an adjustable scope that's also, it's not the greatest, but it works. I'm not sure if you can see that. Probably not, but the adjustable scope only really works if going up and down. But you cock it here, then there's a trick to this gun. If you use 12 grams, it will, because of the velocity of the BBs, 12 grams will get air and they'll pick up. They'll start going and they'll pick just straight up, and they'll get about 20-30 feet, and then they'll just pick up and be pretty much useless. But if you buy 20 grams or 0.24 grams, they go whoosh, and they're so accurate. You cannot dodge those, and they're fast and accurate. And pretty much, I've played battle with my friend, and I said, all three of you against me, and I'll stay in the fort. I built a huge fort. I should probably show you guys something sometime, or videotape our airsoft battles. But I built a huge fort, and he says, no, don't. And I said, I'm gonna use my sniper. He says, no, if you use your sniper, you'll just the fort will be untouchable. Like, that's the point. So, it's really difficult though to use the gun sometimes because it's heavy, and basically it's really only good in the fort or attacking the fort. You're doing skirmishes like guerrilla warfare or running, basically guerrilla warfare, to those of you who don't know what it is. It's basically everyone has a gun and you run around in like the trees or something trying to shoot each other. And it's really hard to do that with because normally it's CQB, close quarters battle, and doing close quarters battle with this gun can be, for one, if you're the one on the other end of the gun, very, very painful with this gun. And for two, if you're the one holding the gun, it can be very, very painful for you because chances are using this gun, if you go around a corner and the gun just happens not to be cocked, and someone's standing there and they have a fully automatic machine gun, they're going to shoot you 20 times before you get one shot off at them. So you also, with this gun, I always leave it cocked in the game, and I put the safety in though, because if I my brother misfired his 315 feet per second pistol. One time my sister, and one time his own finger. He was doing something really dumb. He held his finger right over the tip of the gun, and he went, oops, and pulled it. It was not a rifle. He was not tall enough or long enough, but he used a finger, and he accidentally got it in there. He pushed the trigger on accident, and went right on his finger. He had a big welt there, so you gotta be careful with this gun, because if you do that, it will draw blood. I shot my friend John in the head from about 50 feet, and it drew blood. He actually has a little bump on his head right now. It was an excellent shot, but, well, John would prefer it if it wouldn't have happened. He probably should have given himself up, but he chose the hard way, because he normally chooses the hard way. But I should probably get going now. I hope this video has been useful to you. Please rate the video and post some comments. I hope this will help you choosing to get this gun. And if you would like to find the website to get this gun, just go to www.airsplat.com, and make sure when you buy it, in order to get the full package, to get the correct number of things for the gun, you have to get the gun plus the BBs, and that'll be a total of probably $45 to get everything the gun needs for fighting. So